Occidental in white, Pampanga in their blue threads. Tip the free throws to seal the deal in their last game para sa Davao Occidental Tigers. Here he is, catch and shoot. Puts it in, 2-all. Josh Tagala lines it up.
Nice.
It will roll out. Arboleda there to clean it up.
Yun ang talaga makukuha mo kay Harold. Correctly, it's really the offensive rebounds and the second chance points that have really been mastered by the Giant Lanterns over that
strengths. And as a result, they're on the cusp of having another playoff appearance. And this will be
all together. I mean, if you talk about ranks in terms of stats, they're all the way to number 14. That's their lowest rank, that being the three-point attempt. And, you know, that's of stats, if you ask me, on Abra. They lead pretty much in points, rebounds, blocks, and fast breaks. They're second best when it comes to defending, and they're second when it comes to field goal makes. And that really is, you know, of Sunny.
John Fa, nagmamadali. Dire-diretso for 2 points.
No doubt about it. Downhill, there's very few that can actually put a stop to John Fa. Lalo na kung i-allow mo siya na, you know, couple of steps inside the paint. Si Sunny is, Wawi is cautious rather, hitting that.
Wayward pass leads to a turnover. Nice anticipation though by Fa, deflecting the pass, but still, Comia able to recover and pass it on to Joseph Terzo for the deuce.
Now that to me, Jeff Comia.
Jal Nermal, short, gets it back and puts it in.
Defense for the Giant Lanterns.
Comia.
Oh man.
I mean, his improvement in terms of...
Oh, without a doubt, absolutely. 51% from the perimeter and shooting making almost a third of his attempts from three. And make no mistake about it, you know, down the lane, downhill, middle of the floor, as we saw Jeff do. The Tigers and some changes midway have really allowed them to be better and right now to have a run, at least in the play-in.
Jemo Eguilo scores underneath. And a bonus free throw coming up. Sends it to John Nermal. A minute and 30 left in the first quarter. Raymond Binuya drills in a free from the left corner at labang ng Pampanga.
Dito sa Pampanga Giant Lanterns, of course, alongside Archie Concepcion. You understand that last season they had Encho Serrano as well. But these Giant Lanterns have actually moved on from that, as you see.
Running start for Salubre. Kicks it out to a free Escobedo for free. It's good. Bravo.
Takes that shot.
Wow. Naagaw ni Raymond Binuya from Janser Salubre. Nagsuklay pa.
Regulars with Larry Muyang on the low block. 57% shooting para dito sa Giant Davao rather. It's really because uptick in terms of bench scoring para dito sa Giant Lanterns. Oh boy, what an undergo stab.
Nakatakas si Raymond Escobedo.
Raymar's having a lot of fun, right?
Blew out a tire and it results into a turnover.
Not a good shot at all.
And also not much resistance on the defensive side. Galing sa Davao Occidental as Jemo Eguilo swoops in and scores.
And everything. Oh, cute eh, no?
Concepcion, umikot. Pero napunta kay Armenion who puts in that jumper.
I remember we talked about the importance of point guards in the playoff teams. Andre Armenion has got to be one of those guys. This time for the Giant Lanterns. Salubre again.
Nilang lamang.
Poste.
Jemo Eguilos pivots away from the defense and cashes in from mid-range.
Too tight.
Can't escape the defense of Arboleda. Now he finds Larry Muyang in stride for 2 more points.
Everything in there done perfectly. Good feed by JLC over to Larry Muyang.
Bumagsak si Archie Concepcion. Jeff Comia knocks down his second free.
Boy, Jeff Comia is shooting the lights out from 3.
Yeah.
2 out of 3.
I'm telling you, he has improved his range. So does Andre Armenion.
One of the guys that you gotta look up to on the point guard situation for the Giant Lanterns.
Jeff Comia again!
Oh, man.
Repeatedly dared him to shoot that basketball from the outside. Bonleon ang susubok. Pasok yan!
And all these
Davao Occidental, tabla na naman tayo. 39 apiece.
tatlong diretsong tres para sa Davao.
Clemente,
Oh,
sumagot din. It's been a barrage of frees from Davao. Inbound for Davao Occidental. The lob inside. Boy, Jeff Comia. 2 more points. He has lead down to 1.
Nice fake.
Egilos from 18 feet.
Boy, that shooting percentage is definitely na yan para dito sa Pampanga Giant Lanterns.
Wawe Escocio, wild shot. Parillagas there for the stick back.
Parillagas going to work. And that pretty much is his domain. Nice play.
Give and go. Muyang Faundo back to Muyang for 2 points. Quickly on the other side, Josh Tagala with a jumper. 9, GP Faundo plus ball possession for Pampanga. 3 galing kay Archie Concepcion. At
I thought that was a
agad na ang lamang ng Pampanga. It's up to 8. Floater by Jeff Comia. Gets it to go.
yan, delegado kay Jeff Comia. That has to do with Larry Muyang being on the post. Archie Concepcion as the threes continue right here for the Davao Tigers.
Tatakbo Davao Occidental. Josh Tagala with a good looking stroke.
Well, a 5-point swing.
Hinihingi ni Larry Muyang, pupukol sa 3. Short. Another offensive rebound by the Giant Lanterns, and it leads to more second chance points. And that time, courtesy of Josh Tagala, had to adjust his shot.
He's got time.
CJ Delfino. Oh, he backs it in! How about that for the Tasmanian Devil, CJ Delfino?
And when you're given an opportunity to try and run down the clock, you definitely gotta do that. And CJ Delfino didn't waste any time. He knew that he had that space and that good loop.
Puts it on the deck. Allen Mina lines it up. Too strong. Chris Lalata absorbs contact but makes the shot anyway, plus a foul.
Right. Had a shot. Good move.
Nice crossover towards the pull-up from Raymond Binuya. Libre. Mintis yung kanyang 3. Allen Mina, nice feed to a streaking Chris Lalata for 2 more points.
That is the scoring for Davao.
Escobedo finally stops the bleeding after more than 4 minutes as he hits it free from the right corner. Renz Palma.
Dalawa kasing Renz no?
Kaya nga air ball this time.
I say he gotta take it because Vinuya's defense went under.
Allen Mina had to adjust in mid-air but still managed to stem, but just off the mark.
Good ball movement, but no basket.
Ganda! Chris Lalata, dire-diretso for 2.
The rotation there got.
Galing sa PBA, had to stint at least a conference there, then went back here. Guys like Chris Lalata,
Yes.
and well, they may be undermanned, but there's an opportunity for them to show their character and poise. At isa pa, yung actually 2 of those 3, I should say.
Right. John Normali came close to a triple-double where he had 9 rebounds and 9 assists.
Johnny still stretches inside. Gets it to go with his left hand plus a foul. Either kay Allen or sa mga teammates niya dito sa Pampanga.
Yeah. That's called interactive engagements with our viewers. I love it.
84-68. John Nermal inside the arc, 2 points.
Effort for the Pampanga Giant Lanterns, if you ask me. And I don't recall, as you see, that good finish by J-Mo Egules.
Escocio, multiple pump fakes and sent back to the friend zone by Chris Lalata, and it leads to a fast break layup by Renz Palma.
Forget.
No good. Outlet by Arboleda to Escopido.
wow.
Nice shuffle. And the points coming from Raymart Escobedo. Jeff Comia lost it. Regilos. Muntik ng maagaw, but Palma is free. 2 points plus a foul away from the basketball. As seeking their 19th win. As they want to tie up Pasay in the team standings. Renz Palma, wherein Pangasinan will play against different opponents. Pasay versus Imos. Pangasinan has a much tougher assignment in Rizal, although they will play at home tomorrow on Rosales.
Cage things when you get in the play, and so you wanna get to the path of least resistance. Good alley-oop to Chris Lalata. It's 10 and 16 right now. Oh, sorry. Yeah, 10 and 15. If they lose this, they'll be on 10 and 16. So they should tie with Muntinlupa.
Have 3 more chances to... Actually, 2 more chances.
Yes.
For Muntinlupa. Davao has 3 more.
Separation, lalo na dun sa bench scoring. 47 versus 19 yung bench scoring that time. And talagang land in the play-in.
181. Chancer Salubre.
Talagang nakikita mo na kahit na wala at hindi masyado nakapaglaro ng quarter ang kanilang mga key starters. Oh, what a finish by CJ Delfino.
Oh.
I was gonna say, including that one with Abra, and hope that the other teams battling it out for the final play-in slot lose theirs.
That's the final horn for this game between 2 former champions. Final score, 102-83 Pampanga winning over Davao Occidental. Let's go.